how to move elements in Canva. So if you want to move elements in Canva, then what you need to do is first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you need to simply search for Canva or go for www.canva.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, now you can simply choose a design, go with a design, and then you can choose an element on your design. So for example, I'll be choosing my old designs. Once you've chosen, now here you will have the element, right? So I have the element right here. So if you want to move this element on your Canva, then what you can do is you can simply resize that element by going to the circle figure on the corners of that element, and you can adjust it wherever you like. So you can simply click on it and drag that item wherever you like. And this way you can move the element in your Canva. It's the basic and it's the very easiest way to move an element. And the other thing you can do is you can simply click on the element. And once you click on it, then you will have a circle or this kind of icon. So what you need to do is you just need to rotate that. So in this way, you can rotate your element wherever you like. You can rotate it both ways. And then you will have another option to move the element to another page. What you need to do is you just need to have two pages. So go for add page on the bottom, and here you will have two pages, right? So you can simply drag that element to the bottom. So that's how you can move your element in the third way. Then we also have an option of flip the element. So what you can do is simply click on the element. Once you click on it, here you will have flip option. Click on flip, and then you can flip it horizontally or you can flip it vertically. Or there is also another way. So if you want to like add the text on top of that image, so here if you take the text on top of the image, then you won't have that image or you won't have that text, right? So in order to do that, what you need to do is simply place the element on top of the text, and then you need to choose the option of position. Under position, you need to go for it to back, and here you will have that text image on top of that. So in this way, you can move elements in your Canva, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.